Everyone watching this knows that Ramadan is a month of fasting, the month of becoming more religious, the month of giving, and all of these things correlate with each other to create discipline. When you're fasting, when you're praying more, and when you're giving more, you're disciplining yourself. Alongside with doing all of these things, we must work harder generally. If we're going on a run every other day, go on a run every day in Ramadan. If we're training sports for 2 hours a day, train sports for 3 hours a day in Ramadan. Even if you don't even exercise or anything like that, and you just stay at home all day, go outside for a walk, or do some sort of exercise every single day in Ramadan. This is a month of discipline. When you discipline yourself, you improve as a person. A lot of people don't discipline themselves during Ramadan. They do everything that they would normally do in a day, and the only addition would be that they would be fasting. Some people, even I used to do this before, some people sleep throughout the entire day of Ramadan. I don't even know if this happens in the West, but it's certainly a trend which I see so many people, especially around my age, doing. They wake up 30 minutes before Fajr, eat, pray Fajr, go to sleep. Wake up for Dhuhr, pray Dhuhr, go to sleep. Then wake up for Asr, pray Asr, and then go to sleep, all the way until Maghrib time when they have to break their fast. There's no discipline in a lifestyle like this. Ramadan is a month of always improving yourself, and some of these guys are going backwards in productivity because they sleep all day. In Ramadan, increase the hard work which you do in every single aspect, whether it be mental, religious, or physical. Increase the amount of physical activity which you do in Ramadan to increase the amount of discipline which you gain from this month. A lot of people watching this would probably be like, oh, it's too hard to do all of this, and at the same time, increase the amount of physical training which you do. But remember, there's always somebody who has to do physical activity all day and fast at the same time. And the thing is that they're forced to do it in order to survive. Some people live in hot deserts and have to be outside all day and they're fasting at the same time. Some people are professional athletes and have to train all day for the next match and are fasting at the same time. The greatest example in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had to endure every single day in Ramadan without air conditioning or anything like that in the middle of a desert. Just imagine that. He had to work hard and endure all of that 1400 years ago in the middle of a desert. You will see that the people who have to work the hardest in order to achieve their goals are the people who are the most disciplined. Just look at a great example of today, like Khabib Nurmagomedov. He always had fights which he had to prepare for, and he would always be in the gym training and be fasting all at the same time. He would pray more and he would spend more time with his family and be in his homeland as well. And all of these things disciplined him and made him humble. These are the types of examples which we have to look up to, especially in a month like Ramadan. I uploaded a video on Khabib very recently, so go check that out if you guys are interested. Not only should we reap the religious rewards of this month, we should also reap the mental and physical rewards of this month as a result of becoming more and more disciplined. Every single piece of hard work which you do should be looked at as discipline, whether it be training more, praying more, fasting, everything. Everything should be looked at as a discipline. Anyways, I pray that everybody watching this makes the most out of this month in all aspects, whether it be religious, physical, or mental. Anyways, guys, take care. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.